Have you ever found yourself watching a video with zero intentions of finishing it, and somehow you're still locked in 5 minutes later? Well, that doesn't just happen, it's engineered. See, great videos aren't just made by accident. They're built with strategy, and once you understand how they're built, you can start making videos that people literally can't stop watching. So here's exactly how to make editing videos step by step. Step number 1. Start with structure and not ideas. Most creators begin by asking, what should I make a video about? Or thinking, this idea has to be amazing. And yeah, that's important to a degree, but the better question is, what's going to keep people watching? And addicting videos follow a rhythm, a hook that grabs attention fast, usually in the first 3 to 5 seconds. A setup that gives a reason to care, teases what's coming, a build that keeps tension rising, layer by layer, and a climax that delivers the key insight, emotion, or payoff, and at the end, a resolution that wraps it up cleanly or opens the door for the next video. Without that structure, even the best idea falls flat, because it's not about what you say, it's about how you build towards it. And here's the thing, the structure works across almost every niche, and a detailed version of this can be found in the description. Step number 2, fix your editing. Well, here's the truth. Editing isn't just decoration, it's psychology. Most people edit with one goal, and that is to make the video look good. But that's just not enough. You're not just decorating your content, you're designing it to trigger dopamine. Fast cuts will bring energy, close-ups will build connection, and pattern interruptions will reset attention. And you seriously can't skip subtitles. They add clarity, rhythm, and they keep people locked in, especially when watching without sound. But let's be real, subtitles are a pain. They eat up time and kill your flow, and jumping between apps just ruins the momentum. That's why I use SF-Subtitles from today's sponsor, Scriptfighter. It lets you create and edit subtitles directly inside After Effects. You can pick up your text style, and you can bring your text into the panel, edit directly inside the composition, and even export clean SRTs when you're done. All that without leaving After Effects. It's a simple, time-saving workflow that's made editing subtitles actually fun. And I personally highly suggest this tool because it's being used in the making of this video as well and has saved me hours. The link is in the top of the description. And again, big thanks to Scriptfighter for sponsoring this video. Now back to it. Step number 3. Sound design isn't optional. Well, you can get away with average visuals, but bad audio, that'll kill your video instantly. And you've seen it before, the background music is way too loud or way too quiet. The same whoosh has been used 15 times in 3 minutes, and you'll see the comments will start calling it out. The thing is, sound is more than just filler. It shapes emotion. Background music controls the pace, sound effects add the weight and impact, and when it's all balanced, your video sits cleanly at the center. And if you want people to feel your video, don't just show it, let them hear it. And hey, if you've made it this far, that means you're committed to making addictive videos, and I appreciate that. So I've got a gift for you. If you drop a comment saying 20, I'll send you 20 free high-quality SFXs to level up your sound design instantly. Step number 4. Give them value. Most creators try to save the good stuff for later, but the average viewer's attention span, it won't wait. Every 15 seconds, ask yourself, did I give them something worth staying for? That could be anything, like a quick insight, a surprising edit, or even a pattern break that resets their brain. Me personally, I'm big on this. Make your videos as valuable as possible, no matter the niche. Just keep feeding that curiosity. Now for the part you probably weren't expecting. I've got something to tell you. Every single tactic that I just talked about, from the structure to the editing to the pacing to the sound design, all of them were used in this video. So if you're still here, watching this exact moment, you didn't just learn how to make editing videos, you experienced it. And now you know this stuff works. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to download all the resources that I've provided in this video. They're in the description and they're all free. See you in the next one.